Hi everyone, welcome to Yen's Kitchen at Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make Malaysian style chicken curry. Every time when I cook the chicken curry, I will always cook with extra gravy and freeze them when my kids are craving with roti prata. If you follow this video step by step, then I'm sure that you will be making the delicious Malaysian style chicken curry. To cook the curry chicken, you will need one whole chicken and cut into pieces. After washing the chicken, the excess oil will need to be dripped off before marinated. First, we use 1 tablespoon of curry powder to coat it onto the chicken. Looks like 1 tablespoon of curry powder wasn't enough to cover the whole chicken. And now we do require another 1 tablespoon to ensure all the chicken are coated evenly with curry powder. We also need 1 stalk of lemongrass, 3 stalks of curry leaves, 6 small potatoes, 200 ml of coconut milk, and 1 liter of skim milk. I'm using 3 tablespoons of homemade curry paste. I will be showing a separate video on how to make the curry paste in the coming video. We now need to cut the potatoes into smaller pieces. Move on to the cooking. Add the oil onto the wok and allow the oil to be hot. Then add potatoes and deep fry the potatoes until it turns golden brown. Drain the excess oil of the potatoes and put aside. Leave about 2 tablespoons of oil in pan, then add in homemade curry paste. Cook the curry until the oil is released for a minute and keep stirring the curry paste. And then continue to stir until it's turning fragrance. We add lemongrass until it cooks fragrance. And also the curry leaf. Continue to stir to prevent the curry paste stick onto the pan. We then add in the marinated chicken in the pan and continue to cook for a minute or 2. Stir chicken frequently in the medium-high heat to ensure all the liquid come out from the chicken to dry out. This is very important while making a chicken curry. Adding 200 ml of milk to prevent the chicken stick to pan. If you are allergic to dairy, then use water instead. Then add another remaining of 800 ml of milk into the pan. I prefer adding skim milk because it's more tastier compared with water or full cream milk accordingly to my taste. After adding the milk and continue to cook until it boils. I like adding extra milk because I would like to use as a dipping sauce on my roti prata or adding wonton into my chicken curry. Please see my short video in chicken curry, wonton. Adding milk is also adjust to my family taste because my kids don't really take spicy chicken curry. Some people would like chicken curry slightly thickened by adding less liquid, but it's totally up to personal choice. Make sure you stir frequently and make sure nothing is stick at the bottom of the wok. Cover the lid and constantly stir. And uncover it. After 10 minutes, adding the tomato potato and continue to cook for another 5 minutes, adding a pinch of salt to taste as well. Adding coconut milk to let it cook for another 3 minutes. Adding potatoes is a must for me because my kids loves it very much. I'm cooking this almost every alternate weekend because my kid loves to eat them. I finally like to add a soy sauce to lift the flavor of the chicken curry. Adding a soy sauce is very important as this can lift the curry chicken to the next level up. Your curry chicken will still taste delicious if you didn't adding soy sauce. Continue to cook for 30 seconds. Finally, we'll transfer the curry chicken into the pot and serve with the roti canai, rice, roti prata, wonton chicken curry is also tastes awesome. So what do you think looking at the chicken curry? If you are a roti prata lover, I'm sure this is another choice of dipping with curry chicken instead of dal. Can you see the red gravy looks so tempting to you? This is how tasty chicken curry should be looks like. Please also give me a thumbs up if you find this video is useful. Please also share my video and reach out to more people, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button for the latest video to be notified. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.